Hey guys, what's on the get cleaner, ne? Ntse ke cleaner, ne? Ke ntse ke cleaner, so ke fietse and then I feditse ka nka dintho tsena ka di hlohlora, ne? This thing ka di hlohlora, then ka tswela ka ntle. A ke gotla ke fumana hona le 200 mo. Ke fumana 200 ena mo. Guys, nna qala bona ntho tse ke ntse ke clean bon le feel ke le ne ntse ke clean ke a mopa ke a crop ne scrub ke se ne then ha ke feditse ke hlohlora dintho tsena ka montle ke a di hlohlora ke di vuthulula then when I'm done ke fihla ke di lahlela mona then be ke ka mo kitcheneng. So ha ke gotla ka mo kitcheneng no ke thola 200 e dutse hodima bed mona. Hi guys, how are you? Guys, good morning. Ke mang dumelang hle bana. Kaofela moleni le good guys, le good tatepe bane alakhe ntswaki Musa ke mang Petrusina yo ang hlola lebitso. Guys, good morning. Ntswaki wa tsawa nana re ba forstana re rata zaka tatepe bano wa esehle nana ke thola 200 di mabetaka. Guys, good morning. Ntse ke nahana o se mona ke re mare modimo wa ka. Hey guys, mare la tseba hore o batle ntho ene ntho e batlang o bo itseba gore o itsebe ntho e batlang. Guys, la tseba hore ntho o batlang ntho ene o itsebe hore wa tswa ke a tseba hore ke batlang ene ke ena mare modimo o bo sokola ho e fumana modimo wa ka. Hai lefatshe le hai khona bazalwana. Guys, good morning. Monday motivation. Mara la tseba ntho ene hore gore o batle ntho man ene o e bone man gore e be teng in your mind o e bona mara ntho e ke batlang is in my mind ke a e bona ene o bo e bone man yes na kaofela mehlo so o e bone gore o e bone ntho ena hore mara ntho e ke batlang ke a e bona man ke yane nantsi ya mare bothata o bo sa kgone e thola kapa bo sa tsebo o tlo e thola o tlo e fihlella jwang. Oh modimo wa ka hai ke a bona why lenwa everyday lefatshe le bophelo bo e ka ra bo batle ha o bo sheba straight le so. Yeah, you understand why? But one every day. Every day. I understand. Engele ya bophelo e batla o ska bo bona straight bo batla o bo bone ntho mang bo le blur. Life batla e be blur man ha o bona straight ile original life. Hai ai etle ke batla e be blur man batla e ribe so ska ba bona hantle. ai life ke ne ke shebile ka weekend re na le di bikers ne. So yesterday in the morning so ne re lo kopana somewhere then re tlo ride to my church ne. So ke shebile batho ba tshwereng dikhoto seng ba feta ka dikhoto and then by the theory. So I understand you guys. Why let's say so life here life batla ska e ka re bophelo ba go bo shebe straight bo batla bo bone mang bo le boputswa bo le bo bone bo ai ke ba tshwaretse batho ba nwa jwala every day ai nna ke sa le kwatetse la life ye ya bora man ya bora straight ntho ngwe ne ke tsheya ne ke ntse ke tsheya ke re mara ntho le ba bitsa le re bitsa the relationship coach the relationship coach for that hey here go to social media mona mare nje practical Kiamana why the relationship coach we have so much good Monto I like it. I stand the same. If you join straight, if you want to get it off, man, it off. Now we born straight is like frustrate. Life I wish I was straight. Can't frustrate them. Can it? I understand or can it? Over on the page, life, Elena Yanto, relationship matters and marriage matters. Even marriage issues, Kaibona. Relationship mjolo matters. I tell you so here. Ne ke bua le friend ya ka e ke rata mo teng ngwana mona mara ke so money today. O teng ma ba anje tsa yo and they are no one zolala relationship mo fano so tai and they are no one zokwazulala arai and they are no one zokwazulala na arai zibulu tlo khona roba ki relationship issues tsona ibile runa dinto di leribita the relationship coach or libita marriage coach or relationship coach or in yeah that is why boholo ba rona mona re sena basadi re a trend mona the motivational speaker mona tsa manyalo le the relationship abana di partner because ba powerful mona social media but the reality guys, good morning. Hopefully right man. Monday motivation. Arbenka Monday motivation, guys. Let's talk about Monday motivation. Then Arbenka Lena la kibwekang. Ke kopa ba itri fela le mplele kibwekang. Please guys, enjoy it and detecting as well. By 3, kibwekang relationship re tlo bua ka tsona ka 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock man se bua re bua ka manyalo le ka di relationship but for now le batla kibwekang re bua ka buang le nna hle mara le na data re bua ka hle guys buang le ngolang he type an le njetse re bua ka le batla ke bua ka today ke bua ka Tetani basalwani ditetenga ntoni buang guys ke bua ka good morning precious knows Emily Khumotso guys le batla ke bue ka ntle ke batla le lokolla ma mara tsa tshwantse ke etse show tsa ka TikTok. Facebook e tlisa swaka mo mojolo o batla dithabelo otherwise o tla epetsa straight a re mojolo batla dithabelo tse hefe moruti yo lerato ai guys ke bue kang ke batla go kwala ke batla nkana go teleng ke batla le njwetsa gore ke bue kang type mo le njwetsa le batla ke bue kang o ska ngwala ntho telele haebo Red Bull phakela so Bishop mkwena khawana le nna ke na le mathata ka mkwena ke batla ba busy today so ke schedule ntho tsa tsela ka le tlo ba hectic nyana so kutla ke khathetse. So guys re bue kang ke a le tloela ne nna ne ke tlo bua kang nna personal ne ke tlo bua ka bophelo ba rona re phela under influence nkile ka rera ka ntho ne ke rekeng we live under the influence ya batho ne for share ntho we live under the influence ya batho ne ntho ngwe le ngwe re phela ka tlasa influence ya batho wa bona now bokgosi ha re mpinele ke birthday yaka bokgosing a re mpinele ke birthday yaka o sane happy birthday my darling many mo ke binela bokgosing and I'm sorry happy birthday my darling many more and how to keep warm during the winter season. Go motso mara hloka nketsa tje nana ke tlo o apare le gusha o apare eng o apare eng dumela basadi ba unemployed in abusive relationship re bue kae moder are dumela ntate basadi ba unemployed in abusive relationship yo it's a heavy topic ne basadi ba unemployed basadi ba sa sebetseng ka ra abusive relationship o bana nna wena ke di bonus ya pina ena ke tlala ke utla thuso mtaung a ibina so ya nhlola mona mo e buang ke tsiba fela mo ireng happy birthday my darling many more my day. Guys, are bueng him. Are bueng ka chelete ne are bueng ka chelete because I think this person ore ke bue ka basadi ba ntho ba unemployed ne ha hona mohlang ke tlo dumelang hore we need job for us to have money. A ke dumele. A ke nahane hore for us to have money we need to work. Guys, ke hlola ke re nna o bona ha o batlile mosebetsi more than 2 years and then a year until 2 o batla mosebetsi. Hell guys, ke kopa le nkutlo. If o batla mosebetsi, you are applying for a job, ne? And this time ke tlo bua le batho ba whether you are working, maybe o batla mosebetsi o mong because of maybe o feel hore company ya e o patala tšhelete nyane. Now there are two things ke batlang le mamela ka tsona. Number one, I don't think or especially lona batho ba sa sebetsing, I don't think or ha o batlile mosebetsi more than a year kapa more than 2 to 3 o tshwantse no tswele pele o batla mosebetsi. I don't think so. It's like when o batla a better job because of mohlomong o batla tšhelete, o batla a better salary, then o bo apply o batla mesebetsi e meng o bo sa ithole. I don't think o tshwantse no tswele pele ho sheba mosebetsi kapa o batla mosebetsi. You know tshwantse o ye kae? If o batla mosebetsi o sa o thole, tsa mo o batla kelellong ya hao, tsa mo batla mosebetsi kelellong ya hao. Ska hlola o batla mosebetsi di company kapa mo hlolang o applyela teng. If o batle mosebetsi but ha o thole, then ska hlola o sheba mosebetsi ka di CV, ska hlola o ya hodimo le tlase. Find a job in your mind, meaning use your brain. Sebedisa kelello ya lona guys. Ona le batho bao o tla thola hore ba nagana, and most of us we always think hore for us to be le tšhelete we tshwantse re sebetse. That is the a bad mentality. Once o ka nagana hore for you hore o be le tšhelete o tshwantse o thole mosebetsi, it's a bad mentality. Number 2, if o na le o sebetsa guys, la hopola ne ke qala ke re life e batle re shebe straight ka re life e ha e monate e batla re shebe re na le re ska ra bona hantle. Ke bona bondleleni kore ke bona ba re depress, mara ke understand le yana o depressed ndleleni ke na why this guy called a prophet, this guy will dwell in hell with his father devil. Ke le jwetsitse ka re life ya frustrate. Wa bona mara life ya frustrate. Bona le ndleleni o frustrated, ndleleni John Ncaya ke Nceya o frustrated kore ndleleni. We are both frustrated, my brother. I'm not negative. I'm not negative, I'm not angry, because I was saying that before I started my show. Good life here, man. I battle be really sober. I can get about to. I understand why about to banwa every day, because life I battle we be really sober, man. No, if we battle we be man, we born in the blair so ndleleni go utla ukwatile lena ndleleni. O tla uti ke ndleleni o kwatile ndleleni o kwatetse life yo rena le bondleleni re kwatile. Thank you ndleleni. Then I've been asking myself for why ban Peter prophet. So guys, are ndleleni re bueng hem. So ke re ntona One of the things e ke bonang batho ba e re sharp, and guys, until bon sefapang sa ntate modimo, until le nkutlwa until le nkutlwa then ixelela guys ke kopa le jwetsa nnete bona sefapang wa bona mohlang re ka understanda gore re be le tšhelete we don't need a job. Yes, ke nnete o ka batla mosebetsi. Thank you evangelist Ndai, thank you so much my big brother. Yes, it's good to batla mosebetsi. Two, it's good to work. It's good, something good. But there are two things that you guys really understand. We don't reflect creativity. Wabona di pedi dintho tse dangerous. One, batho ba nahana hore ba be le tšhelete tshwantse ba sebetse kapa ba thole di promotion kapa ba thole eng. Batho ba tsebe hore tšhelete e kelellong. Ke number one. Number two, batho ba tsebe hore o be le more money. You need to use your brain. I get them. Let's say you are waking, ne? Let's say you are waking. Next, let's say wasebeta ne? 10,000, ne? Let's say you are waking 10,000, ne? Now, maybe 10,000 yena inyani ne. Now utolore 10,000 yena yo ikholang inyani ne. Now most about when I realize that 10,000 inyani what's about we yetsang ba ya di loan ba fika ba loana di tšhelete ne. Motho lo loana tšhelete because of o batla ho ba le extra money. Let's say o khola 10,000 you earn 10,000 mosebetsing wa hao, but now tiki wa realize or dintho tsa di ngata, and then maybe to batla another 10,000 ne. The responsibility tsa di batla another 10,000. Wa tsaba lona batho ba sebetsang le etsang once in 20 years when life ya hao e batla tšhelete e nngwe wa tsaba lona le etsang le a straight di loan straight di loan le fihla le lo loana di tšhelete. That is the mistake alone. That is the biggest problem alone. Or ha le tloa fela le di loan le lo loana di tšhelete because of o feel or no salary wa inya. Now ke kopa re qale mona wa bona motho ya batla mosebetsi ke ne ke re motho ya batla mosebetsi then aba asa uthule but still abantsa tswela pele o batla mosebetsi, that person o na le problem. Usang dikelello tsa lona guys, batho ba sa sebetseng sebedisang dikelello tsa lona because tšhelete it's in your brain. Tšhelete e kelellong tsa rona. Two, when o ena 10,000 mo sebetsang teng then batho bo realize hore but tšhelete ya ka e nyane. Now the responsibility tsa ka di kgolo di mpatla let's say the responsibility di batla 20,000. You don't need to go to the loan guys. Lona le di loan le a bo matšhonise le lo kadima di tšhelete ho either that ho either hodima 10,000 yani. And the problem kore we don't are tsebe ho sebedisa dikelello tsa rona. And ke yona ntho e re shapang batho ba bangata ga re tsebe ho sebedisa dikelello tsa rona. And because ka nako tse ding ba bang ba lona le a lebala hore the same people ba le batla mosebetsi ho bona ba sebedise dikelello tsa bona hore ba be le di-company, ba sebedise dikelello tsa bona hore ba be le di-company. There are people ba using the brain tsa bona or ba qale di-company ba be le di-company tsa bona. And then today when you also have the same mind maria ha o kelello ha o e sebedise ho etsa tšhelete, but the only thing ke hore fela o batla mosebetsi. I don't agree le taba hore when o sa thole mosebetsi then o tshwantse o be miserable. Once o thole mosebetsi, use your mind. Sebedisang dikelello tsa lona guys, sebedisang dikelello tsa lona. Ke tlo le sharela something. sebedisang dikelello ya bobedi when tšhelete hao e le nyane ska ya loanong rather o sebedise kelello ya hao gore o tlo etsa jwang gore o be le extra money. I respect my mistress, I respect my teacher, bana ba rekisang di-Tupperware. I respect those people. I respect these people ba rekisang di-perfume. I respect them. They are hlonipa. I respect my mistress a rekisang di-perfume. I respect my mistress a rekisang attention. I respect them. I respect them. You know why? Because those people ba bontsha gore okay, I'm earning 10,000, but 10,000 and I kgone to sell petrol, I kgone to reka electricity, I kgone now abanye when usa 40, when you're 10,000 it's a kgone who yetsa the house hold o sa kgone to sell the petrol le ka di matšhelete tsa di petrol o bona motho ka di matšhelete a petrol ni boleka ne malize petrol motaka di mele tšhelete ya petrol guys but bakadima le tšhelete tsa di petrol but bakadima there was a guy ene ke morata Nunu that guy ke mo hlompha le today otwa Nunu na yetsang Nunu ke mo hlompha, it was my friend, it was a family friend yak otwa Nunu na yetsang Nunu na sebetsa trade center ne Nunu na sebetsa trade center Nunu aqala athewela a reka koloi ha reka koloi ebephangela nabantu asebenza nabo ababa kopa gore ba ske ba reka ba ske ba kana ba ske ba tlise ditšhelete tsena tse ba di kalamang tsa tax tsena tse ba patalang di tax a ba re di tlise ba mo fe tsona mare ba mo fe tsona ka kgwedi ba mnike tsona ke nyaka ditšhelete tsena tseo ba kalamang di tax ka tsona because you know that time ona rekile koloi so when e phangela ba khotsi bana ba di koliki tsela tsa wa di kalamisa ka ra koloi you know that guy we anseng that thing o kalamisa o tsamane bona ya end up I sell stuff sa hae di koliki tsa hae ya end up I sell di stuff sa hae aya that guy a reka macrobus a reka Kumbia macrobus ne now Kumbia macrobus is bigger than a car now Nunu ke a qalela a laisha dikoliki tsa a ba laisha a ya le bona mosebetsing a chaisa le bona a ba delivera a yetsa eng. Do you know that guy o end up ile asasa ana le tšhelete that man a ba le a reka Kumbia bobedi a tsamaisa batho ba mosebetsi a qadile ka koloi ya hae A1 a thobela ka koloi A1 a qadile ka koloi A1 a end up as a re mpentšhelete tseo le di sebedisang for the tax at independence of malizeni mare nne ke sona ke nyaka ka kgwedi Nunu na thola tšhelete from the colleague wa bona because now sit down o shebe gore it was just in the wisdom motho a yentseng because number 1 o ya mosebetsing ka koloi o tsamaya le one o gutla le one o ya mosebetsing ka koloi o gutla le one until I decide ke tlo laisha batho bona bana ba leng dikoliki tsaka na o yentseng Nunu ke a gona ke a afforda di petrol a afforda reka dikoloi a etsa le di shop Nunu ke qetetse ana le di shop di talk shop ana le di bottle store from transporter di koliki tsa hae from who transporter the colleague and o qadile ka Mazda 323 enyane a tsama ka Mazda a itekela Mazda 323 and then a thewela le bagotsi ba hae I mean the colleague tsa a ba patadisa ka kgwedi a re ba mo fe tšhelete tsa transport Nunu the last time ke mo qetela that guy was very far ka bophelo very far o dula mande ntom Bloomside ke Bloomside o haile ntlo e kgolo no because you know why una sa hlola spenda tšhelete now lona le etsa o thola hore una le gola 10,000 inyane 10,000 no wena we tlatsa ka di loan o lata di loan o kadima di loan o etsa eng that is why today some of you o thola hore now una le problem because now your salary doesn't afford you. Now your salary because doesn't afford you. Now we add ka di loan o batla lo loan hore o eketse tšhelete yang. And o thole hore o kadima tšhelete ya petrol, o kadima tšhelete ya electricity, o kadima o boleke mali. Uboleke mali for everything, uboleke mali for everything. Yonke into iboleke imali because that 10,000 now it doesn't push until month end. Now, here is the thing actually sharp. Here is the thing actually sharp. One, you need to sit down. O shebe hore ki finto o spendan tšhelete ho yona. Ki petrol. Kapa ke electricity, kapa ke dintho tsa bana tsa sekolo. You need to sit down and check it. Hey Pinto, in this money e ke tshwarang, kapa di householding tsena tsaka tlung, into ni e ke mali ke eng e jang tšhelete, kapa ke eng fento e batlang tšhelete ngata, ke electricity, kapa ke petrolo, kapa ke dintho tsa bana tsa sekolo. Then how qetile you sit down and check, and if you're not able to think that tla runa bo November re founele bua le runa Dr. November nna ke bona ke na le bothata man ke shorta tšhelete ke sokola ka tšhelete ke gola bokana kapa ke thola tšhelete kana, please advise me. Because retro advisor, example, let's say ntwejan chelete huena ki petrol. Now you sit down and check okay, ki hola 10,000, but petrol yaka ki 3,000. Come on, soma 3,000 ki petrol unka fail. Let's say ki ona fail to ejan chelete ya haholo you. Then that's when now udula fast. Utlaka kanto, utlaka plan, utlaka something yo to yetang. Eto generating 3,000 yan. Ore now uska wa hlola. Usebedisa uska hlola usebedisa unta chelta petrolo from your salary. Hence kiring I respect but barracks and the perfume. Only this lady Rexa the perfume I kereke. Kamrat, kitten. Rexa the perfume kitten. And then only Omung happy Rexa the perfume. He's working what's a bit. I know some must be so right. But Rexa the perfume. Rexa the can Rexa in up. Ki aba respect about what the perfume, ki aba respect about what the Tupperware, ki aba I respect these people but kana ki into I get buhle. I respect them. You know why? Because the intoten the hore the cash cash flow ya how uska sebedi sa salary ya how le for dintho tse simple petrol uska kadima tšhelete ya petrol uska wa kadima tšhelete ya electricity I get to get a sense. I respect these people man. Huh? Scofield, thank you. Budget. Now, but Bakadima, I don't understand. But I want to go back to this thing now. Liemu wabona na mutu, lemu. But why people are pushing, guys. By somebody said the kelolo sabona, who yet to avoid to kadima di chelete di petrol, to avoid to kadima chelete di electricity, to avoid to kadima chelete patalabano di school fees, to avoid those things. Now the problem you runa, you rely salary, and then how could you rely salary of 10,000, but this 10,000 it doesn't afford you. How is afford no look at my chelete. wa tsamaya lo kadima tšhelete. And you can see gore lifestyle ya e o batla 15,000, you can see gore lifestyle ya e o batla 20,000, but you don't think about how can you make yes, that meaning and extra money. Some people, they don't think about doing extra money. No. The only thing that is the only thing. Or that is the only thing or no. Mama every time when how about electricity you need to go and borrow money to other people. How do I about Naba something read guys. Yeah, sometimes you need to sit down or check or okay, lifestyle yaka, I mean, 10,000, but lifestyle yaka impatla 15,000, and then come on, someone only extra 5,000 a short time for you or pila hand. Now that's when you want to do fancy and check or 5,000, and sometimes you don't need to do you what's about into trading additional business minded guys. Additional you are running a business. No, it's just that you it's a cash flow. Because let's make an example. Somebody rakes up perfume, Babambody rakes at 150, Babambody rakes at 200. Ne? I'm just making an example. Somebody rakes a perfume at 200. Now you can imagine if rakes say 3, ne? I'm just making an example. When you rakes say 5, ne? So we rakes about to the perfume say 5. It means usonale 1,000 rand. Then you check again or we are in. Or rakes the sunglass or dara the sunglass ka sama then o rekisa di sunglass ka winter o batla dikatiba tse smart tse tsamaisang le dikhafu tsa teng o ordera dintho tse online how to deal the colleagues tsa wa ba rekisetsa. You don't run that as a business, no, because you, let's say when you don't like business, but are we as a business, are we run as a business, but we run for just it's a cash flow, so that how collectile 250 man o collectile 250 o collectile 500, those 250 the 300 the 500 di tla o thusa gore o ska qeteletse o kadima dinto di shelter tsa di petrol. You need to sit down and check. Now here's the thing, batho ba sa sebetseng ha se taba ya ho robele tšhelete, ha se mosebetsi, ha se re tshwanetse o sebetse, ke taba re fela o tshwanetse o sebedise kelello ya hao. That's all. Use your mind. Sebedisa kelello ya hao. Kerekeng, there was this guy Anadula sena tšhelete kerekeng. Next, ka di Wednesday nna ne ke ruta kerekeng ya ka ben funisa abantu ke ba ruta ka gore ba qale di business jwang ba etse jwang ne ke rata go ruta batho ka di Wednesday. Ne hona le this guy ene to ke papa o na le moputswa a sa sebetse. Papa o na le moputswa e sa sebetse in Jesus name. You know, papa ke a etsang. Papa ke a ya ditlapong, a fihla a ema ditlapong a sheba ditaveneng e seng ditlapong ditaveneng a ya ditaveneng ka location man a fihla a sheba. Papa re ntate Moruti o ile re sebedise dikelello tsa rona. Papa a re ke ha tsamaya a lo reka nama a besa nama bosiu ditlapong I mean ditaveneng. Guys, that guy we have tšhelete tshosang no. That guy una le moputso ebe qobile una le moputso, but as we speak papa o etsa tšhelete e tshosang. A tsamaya lo rekisa ditlapong a rekisa ditlapo ditaveneng mon o rekisa. Now o sabile entse di branch una le batho ba ba beyang taveneng e itseng o beile batho ba mo rekisetsa, taveneng e itseng o beya batho ba mo rekisetsa, taveneng e itseng o beya batho ba mo rekisang. Papa o etsa tšhelete, simple thing, because ne ke ba jwetsa ke re ha se tšhelete, I mean ha se mesebetsi, ha se o hloka mosebetsi ntho e le etsang gore le hloke tšhelete, but ko hloka o sebedisa kelello. Batho ba botsa o sebedisa dikelello tsa bona, and that is why today batho ba nahanang gore ba hloka tšhelete because of ba sa sebetse. Next, a se nnete ntho e. Wa bona this guy qetang le sherela ka yana Nunu na thewela le dikoliki tsa hae. You can imagine lona batho ba dutse mona le bakae ba na le dikoloi. A re etseng example. Let's make an example. A re etseng example. No, as we speak. Ke hlola ke shebile dikoloi gratching ya engine mona Bloemfontein. Engine mo Aljos. Ma mistress abo Botshabelo abokai ba siya dikoloi Aljos man. Then ke sho ba kalama bese ho ya ntho ho ya skolo maybe Tabantu kapa Bloemfontein ne. And then aba chaisa ape ba tlo kalama bese from Botshabelo. Now you can imagine if o ka tloela ho reka, because ba bang ba lona le rekile dikoloi tse smart for next. Mar that car we patala installment e ja tšhelete o tshwanetse e tshele petrol. You can imagine if o ka itekela koloi ya 7 seaters. 7 seaters. Doesn't matter ke wa itekela koloi ya 7 seaters. Then my mistress ana a thewelang lerke a thewelang bo Botshabelo, because ba bang ba lona o ntse o sebetsa ona mo. You can imagine how we take it koloi ya 7 seaters. Then every day o thewela le bona, o ya le bona, o gotla le bona, o ya le bona. Tšhelete yane e ba rekang diteke ka yona, e ba rekang ditikete tsa dibese ba itlise ho wena. Ba o fe tšhelete eno ya diteke, ba o fe tšhelete yeno ya diteke. Then we ikele Botshabelo ka koloi ya hao ya 7 seaters o ikgutlela o tsamaye le dikoliki tsa hao. Then every month ba ke ba hlola ba reka ditikete tsa dibese mara tšhelete eno ba itlise wena. O tlo mpolelela gore sefapang sa ntate Modimo e ke ya tlisa difference na, because today tšhelete yane ba ifa interstate ba patala ba reka diteke, but ba tsamaya le wena o bile wa kalama le sia dikoloi tsa bona Aljos mona le ya di sia dikoloi tsa lona mona o thole le kalame bese. Ka nako tseng you can buy a car wa rekisa koloi yo tsamayang ka yona yone e nyane wa itekela koloi ya 7 seaters, because I don't think my teacher and ba hepu kalama bese ai monate from Bloemfontein to Botshabelo bese ai monate. You can imagine if we take it koloi ya 7 seaters, then out qetile batho ba ba lata o fihlo ba laisha ba laita moatlong a bona mo ba dulang teng ha le qetile o thewela le bona, then ha le chaisa le ya gotla o ba tlisa Bloemfontein o lo ba theola. You can imagine ha o sa hlola ba le stress sa ditšhelete tsa di petrolo, ha o sa hlola ba le tšhelete tsa di ha o sa hlola ka di ma tšhelete tsa di electricity, ha o sa hlola. That's my problem. Mme o tla ho nna o re ntate Moruti ke rekisa nama ne wa mpolela rona o rekisa nama o rekisa dijo, o rekisa di-plate, and then wa kwala ke re wa yo kwala rona because mo re rekisang se re rekisa re le bangata hona le batho ba rekisang. Ke re jwale why wena o kwala ke re ne sa etse tšhelete ntho na rona e ntse e etsa tšhelete. Ke re jwale why o tloela rona because jwale se re rekisa re le bangata. Ke re jwale why wena o tshwanetse o tloelle o rekisa. I don't know, because ntate Moruti these people are these people re bangata o ke re sheba tsa mo reka island in a ke tsebe bitswang ke juice island in ke stroop ne ke stroop ne ke re tsa mo reka stroop sa ke tsebe e bitswang juice island mama ke re yan go and buy that thing. How qetile wena o ngole special o beya boto pela a kre le rekisa ba ne ba rekisa station mo ke re beya boto mona mo rekisang teng. Then how qetile wena ngole special a plate with a drink, a free juice ne. No, I don't know hore silo hore taxi association ba tlo lwana jwang, because those people ke batho ba tsamayang le bona ke di colleague tsa o tso sebetsang le tsona. I don't know hore taxi association e tlo lwantsha ha ke tsamaya le di-colleague tsa ka na. I don't know about batla lwantsha motho when a tsamaya le di-colleague. I don't know, I'm not sure, because in the first place o ya sekolong ba theoela kaofela ba khutla kaofela. I'm not sure. So ke batla o tla tabeng ena. Yeah, I understand the taxi association ba lwana ba etsa, but I think batho ba di taxi association they always fight ha o laisha batho ba bona di stopong tsa bona tsa di base o nka batho ba bona kapa di tseleng, then ba lwana. But I don't know if ke tloa ka koloi ya ka ke tsamaya le di-colleague tsa ka re theoela re tswa mosebetsing re kena ka ra koloi re tla Bloemfontein a ke tsebe ba tlo lwana jwang moo ka nnete. I'm not sure, a ke sure, because e ke tsebang gore ba e lwantsha it's when o laisha batho tseleng o emisa di-stopong o laisha batho, but o tloa ka batho le tloa Bloemfontein le theoela le di-colleague. No, I'm not sure, because I mean hona le batho ba tloang Botshabelo ba tlang Bloemfontein ba tsamayang le batho ka dikoloi tsa bona, hona le batho ba tlang Botshabelo ba tlang Bloemfontein ka dikoloi tsa bona ba ntse ba tla le di-colleague tsa bona. So I'm not sure, even if una le koloi e nyane, let's say you don't even need to buy 7-seaters, let's say o reka una le koloi e laishang batho ba 4 ke di-colleague tsa batho ba o tsamaya le bona le ya mosebetsing le gutla le bona le gutla le bona. So that one I'm not sure. So this woman o re honna o batla go kwala business ya because this business I mo yetsetse tšhelete ke re tsa mo reka island a ke tsebe ke into and exareng kile ka e reka be ke re ho yana go and buy this thing. I'm not sure re ntse le teng ke be ke ra o qetile tsa mo ngala boto wena o etse special. Most ya batho ba rekang a tsana yona ke be ke re most ya batho ba rekang dijo sometimes a bana tšhelete ya go reka di-drink ba ithekela di-plate fela ne ke re wena tsa mo reka stropo seo because ke 1 liter kapa ke 1.5 liter kapa ke bokae, then ha o qetile o se tshela ka mo 5 litereng and then se bate, then ha o qetile ha se bata se le o se kentse ka fridging, then o batla di when motho a tlo reka dijo tsa o plate ya hao wena o mo fa le extra drink ya mahala, and you are not going to lose because that thing ke 1 liter if I'm not mistaken. Then how we irritates e le ngata e o irritates 5 liter kapa o irritates 5 liter tse pedi e le, you know you're not going to lose because ntwana stropo seno se sengata and o se mixa ka metsi, so you are not going to lose, but you know you are just using that drink for user drink yenu juice yenu for free, but o tlisa batho wena ka re samo yetsa and we la yetsa mmeo and batho ka ba qala ba tla ho yena. Law enforcement won't allow you to travel people without a valid permit. Novi. I get it. Agree, guys. Dintho tse le nkutlo. Sapula. Agree ki bua ki lahlela ki throw a fella the idea. Then kene kire Sapula. Agree na ki throw a fella the idea. Then batho ba tla iketsetsa di research motho a qalelle o nahana. The only thing that I'm doing now ki throw a fella the idea, guys, because nna ke na le problem ya batho ba re guys ke kopa le nkutlo please mameleng skala correctang di idea tsaka because ke re nna ke throw a fella the idea no, then motho ha batla ho etsa something yena o tla inahanela o tla iketsa research hore ke batla lo botsa hore batho ba tla iketsa di research, but the only thing that I'm doing ke throw a fella the ideas, that's all. That is why ke itseng I'm not sure but by the taxi association, but that is why I'm not sure, because now what I'm doing is throw a fella the ideas. That's all. I'm not saying, but when you want to do that, you will go and make a research. But what I get is about the only thing I'm just trying to throw. Sometimes it's just you throw it about to the idea. Then mutuka bona yena or okay and the mrutu bile something. Tloke bona or kintwena ke tlo gona o etsala jwang. Because it is not right or even we. Yo guys, network emphahlong son so hle. Yeah, network ka emphahlong son ka letibile ke tshintshile black. So I get tsebe hore Rudy but bana ke bona ka ra ba understand. You know ntwe ke ithutileng yona guys. Nna experience ya ka. Ke ithutile hore one of the things it's all about banka di step ka bophelo. Ke the negative thoughts tse re nang le tsona. What if ha ke etsa tjena? What if ho tlo etsa tjena? Ha ke batla etsa tjena? What if ho tlo etsa so? Re thijwa ke the negative thoughts. We don't even research, we don't even do something. Always when we have to do something, re na le the negative thoughts. And that is why today re struggle. Re struggle because when I'm about to ba thijwa ke the negative thoughts. Una le ntate na ke finga hlalosa jwang ona le ntate mo ne ke mo fa idea. He was so negative, very negative. Ke re ntate etsa so. The guy was so negative ka re ntate tsamo try today ntwele ne ke mo jetsa a neng a le negative, it's working for him. E mo sebeletsa ka tsele ngwe hlotseng. That thing is working because one of the things there are people who are not good to plan and to think. So it is our responsibility. What if we yet so? What if we yet so? What if we yet so? Then the person cannot decide down. I say research, but it is not right or every time. What if but when it takes but what if I know the takes association but that is why I'm not sure if that is why I am not sure, but the only thing that I was doing go through the thoughts and then mutuka inahanela now there was a time when I feel out Neki feel I'm going to sell my house because Neki feel out I keep on white so keep in a 5-bedroom. Excited. Yo guys, I network and panel so now it's where it's it's like one of the lidula le ba bedi ka podula le one. Obona le ntlo, udula le one. 5-bedroom, yes. Upatala the rates and taxes. Upatala cheltengata, but to do la only mo, upatula gara 5-room. It did not make sense. Negijota about Wakere Gengira, Ntona ayeti sense. Utola udula only one, kapa udula limusadu only 2 fell. Then I put dula karanto hulu. And I need to come with that. That's a Roman limbat. Doesn't make sense. And on a serious note, like now, I'm staying alone here. Bedroom young weekend, bedroom young weekend. You can imagine, you have 5 or 6. Who born need na if nekinale fine, nekinale butanta bachelet. Next to mind or Rexantre. Hakpetile kilo rekan kwenyane, hakpetile kinke chelete ise, hakpetile kiese something. Eka generate chelet. And I guys could go out and take it. Your network am so good. Network I back mande motivation. I guys cool by.